Greetings everyone. In a recent video I posted, I showed how you can take your project that's designed in landscape format and rotate it to the portrait format by using the rotary option within the job setup. I'd like to take a little deeper look into that because there are a few things you may want to see and be aware of. So let's get started. We have a single-sided project that we've designed. It's 18 inches wide and 6 inches high, and the thickness is 0.75, 3/4 of an inch. I have some circles, vectors, and also a 3D model. With the circle vectors, I create a pocket toolpath, the strategy being raster, and the 3D model of the horse. That finished toolpath is also in the raster strategy, meaning it's going from left to right in this case. Now I want to rotate it so it's in the portrait layout. As I've mentioned in my previous video, I'm going to go to my job setup and I'm going to just simply click on the rotary option, change the orientation to along the y-axis, make sure the flip design is checked, and now simply click back on the single-sided project. You can see in the video, everything has been laid out in the portrait fashion. The one thing to notice is that the toolpath did not rotate. It is still in the raster going from left to right. I don't know if this is a big concern, but it's something you need to know. But more importantly, what happens is the thickness of your material changes from 0.75 to 0.9549. It has to do with the thickness of the stock you are going to use in the rotary project. So just be aware, because now you know. Thanks for watching. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. If you have any questions or comments, you can contact us at mm@mizolic.com. Enjoy!